Leave here and leave in the daytime?
Look, girls. Girls.
Hi.
Oh my God.
We gonna wait until we get to the scary part?
Yeah. Pay attention, Winter. Pay attention. Eyes in front of you. Look. Over there. Oh, never mind. I thought they had costumes on. That was actually them. They just undead. Alright, let's go this way. Yeah, that way.
How you doing this just to get us to
No.
Oh my God, what is that?
Oh shit! Come on.
Mama, please get me out of here, bro.
You said you was ready.
That was Wizard. I did not say I was ready. It's okay, girl. I got you. You in the middle.
Ooh, you hear that?
You recording this? He got a chainsaw.
Chainsaw.
Ooh. Yay. I feel like he got us lost on purpose.
No, look, this so familiar, right?
I'm right.
Where you at?
I'm right there.
Ooh. Yeah, come on.
I like this.
I know. So you ready?
Yeah. I told you I was ready, Mama.
What was that? Oh, look at that. Look.
Where?
Over there.
Okay, so that means
Yeah, this,
that means
yeah, you remember this? Uh-oh.
another one?
Come, Treya.
Why they choose the kids? Oh my God.
Look how you looking.
Mommy's following us. I liked it.
I swear I cannot do that with a serious face.
What is specifically going on with me, yo?
Come on.
I don't want to see that chainsaw person again.
You know,
I thought he was actually going to use that chainsaw.
that's not real.
Oh.
Look, they got kids younger than you here.
Oh, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there.
Mom, can you stop playing the camera? And they go come after
We're exiting. I told you that was just a sample.
This is not a sample. We've been here past with.
No, I
We would have
mean,
been at home already.
I said I'm gonna give you a sample.
This is not a sample.
Girl, you a scaredy cat.
It's all right.
And look, you just trying to act brave.
Are you afraid for real?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, we almost here.
Yes, all those screens on edge.